Welcome to our channel Box Office Release. Let's start the video now. After 3 very successful movie franchise Hotel Transylvania, 4 will now grace our screens. Fans all over are super excited to meet their favorite Dracula and his gang. Beforehand, missing Count Dracula, Mavis, Johnny and the rest of the Hotel Transylvania family after their continuous exciting summer move away, you can calmly inhale since Hotel Transylvania 4 is in progress. Todd Durham is the writer of the American movie franchise. Jennifer Klushka and Darren Drymon will be directing the 4th installment. The first movie debuted in September of 2012, the second movie followed in September of 2015, and the third in July of 2018. The media franchise consists of 3 theatrical movies, 3 graphic novels, and 2 short films. It also has a TV series and several video games. The 4th installment of the movie is titled Hotel Transylvania: Craft of the Dragons. The residents of Hotel Transylvania find their world turned upside down when youngster Dennis gets a surprise monster-sized pet. Klushka has been a story artist on the latter 2 Hotel Transylvania entries and directed installments of the DC Superhero Girls shorts. Drymon is an animation veteran who has worked on everything from the Disney Afternoon series Quack Pack and 90s animation staple Rocko's Modern Life to things like Monster vs. Aliens and Kung Fu Panda 3. They will be joined by executive producer Michelle Murdocca and producer Alice Dewey Goldstone. The franchise is in very good hands. While the plot of Hotel Transylvania 4 is unknown, the franchise typically revolves around a hotel for monsters that includes Dracula, Frankenstein's monster Kevin James, the Invisible Man David Spade, a werewolf Steve Buscemi, and a mummy Keegan-Michael Key. Andy Samberg plays the human who falls in love with Dracula's daughter. The third and arguably best film loosened up the formula by having the monsters go on a cruise together. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for latest updates about all series and upcoming movies. The 4th movie's announcement came in February of 2019. It is called The Craft of the Dragons, which is currently under development. The movie is to release on 6th August of 2021. Although it is not unlikely for the movie to face delays due to the ongoing coronavirus pandemic, however, in this case, the movie release was moved up from December 2021 to August 2021. But nevertheless, the release of the movie in 2021 is confirmed. The 4th part of the movie will bring back our favorite Dracula, who runs a resort far from human settlement. In the 3rd movie, we see Dracula proposing to Erica. We also see the bonds between Dracula and Helsing family mending. This is due to the union of Dracula and Erica. The plot of the series is under wraps, but the movie will definitely be as dynamic as its previous installments, and surely will receive the same amount of love. It will also be interesting to see what adventures await our adorable and beloved monsters. The cast of the series has pretty much remained the same since the beginning. There is in fact addition of new members to each movie as it progresses. The cast includes Adam Sandler as Count Dracula, Selena Gomez as Mavis, Andy Samberg as Jonathan Johnny Loughran, Kevin James as Frankenstein, Steve Buscemi as Wayne, Keegan-Michael Key as Murray, David Spade as Griffin, Fran Drescher as Eunice, Molly Shannon as Wanda, Sadie Sandler as Winnie, Jendi Tartakovsky as Blobby, John Lovitz as Quasimodo, Jackie Sandler as Martha, Asher Blinkoff as Dennis, Nick Offerman as Mike Loughran, Megan Mullally as Linda Loughran, Mel Brooks as Vlad, Dana Carvey as Dana, Catherine Hahn as Erica Van Helsing, Jim Gaffigan as Professor Abraham Van Helsing, Joe Jonas as Kraken, among others. The movie has been received well by the audience. The movie also has a gross income of over $1.3 billion across the world. Thank you for watching the video till end. For more box office movie, web series, reviews, news and update, please visit our website www.boxofficerelease.com, and if you like our video, hit the like button and share with your friends. To stay updated, please subscribe to our channel Box Office Release.